Hello there, health seekers. In this video, we will be discussing the top natural foods that can help repair and reverse kidney damage. These healing foods are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that support kidney function and promote overall kidney health. Okay, you know the drill. Before we get into the details of the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing health and wellness content. Your support means more than you know. Thank you. If you're struggling with kidney issues or looking to prevent damage, incorporating these remedies into your diet can make a significant difference. From fresh fruits and vegetables to whole grains and lean proteins, we'll explore the best options for healing and nourishing your kidneys. Discover the power of natural remedies and start healing your kidneys today. In this video, we'll uncover 15 all-natural foods to help repair and reverse kidney damage. Number 1. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and low in potassium, making them suitable for kidney health. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that is low in potassium and a good source of vitamins and minerals. Number 3. Cauliflower. Another cruciferous vegetable, cauliflower is low in potassium and provides various nutrients like vitamin C. Number 4. Red grapes. Red grapes contain resveratrol, which has antioxidant properties that may benefit kidney health. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties and may offer cardiovascular benefits, which can be beneficial for kidney health. Number 6. Olive oil. Use olive oil in moderation as a healthier alternative to other cooking oils, as it may have anti-inflammatory effects. Number 7. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may have anti-inflammatory effects and support heart health. Number 8. Egg whites. Egg whites are a high-quality source of protein with lower phosphorus content compared to the yolks. Number 9. Cranberries. Cranberries, whether in their whole form or as unsweetened juice, may help prevent urinary tract infections. Number 10. Apples. Apples are a good source of fiber and various antioxidants, providing kidney-friendly nutrition. Number 11. White bread. Choose white bread over whole wheat as it is lower in phosphorus, which can be beneficial for those with kidney issues. Number 12. Oats. Oats are a whole grain with lower phosphorus content compared to some other grains. Number 13. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C. Number 14. Onions. Onions have anti-inflammatory properties and can add flavor to dishes without adding much sodium. Number 15. Cucumber. Cucumbers are low in potassium and can contribute to hydration due to their high water content. Remember, moderation is key, and individual dietary needs vary. It's crucial to work closely with healthcare professionals to create a diet plan tailored to your specific situation and monitor your kidney health regularly. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found value in this video, please share with family and friends. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.